Hibiscus is an incredibly well-known and well-loved tree that you could have in your garden, or can be grown as a bush as well in some cases, but this one is particularly special because what the plant breeders have done here is they've grafted, which is where you take the bud from one plant from the same species and you basically graft it, or you connect it to a stem within another plant. What they've done here, which is really, really super clever, is you've got the rootstock here, which is obviously leading down to the pot. Now you can of course plant yours in the garden if you wish to, it's your choice, but they do look incredible if you have them as a statement item in a pot. The rootstock is taken up to a long straight stem, therefore creating what we call a standard. Doesn't mean it's ordinary, as in standard as ordinary, it means it's the shape, the lollipop shape given to plants is often described as quarter standard, half standard, standard. This is a beautiful standard. Then what they've done within the top of the rootstock is they've grafted 3 different varieties of hibiscus onto the hibiscus rootstock. Now, cleverly, one of them is a beautiful blue, one of them is a gorgeous pink, and the third and final one is white. So you've now got what's called a tricolour hibiscus standard. Now, that will remain in balance. If any one colour gets out of hand, you can just be a bit harder on the pruning on that colour, allowing the others to thrive, to compensate for it, which may happen in future years. And the secret is to keep that globe shape of that gorgeous head. And you've got the 3 colours there. I have a pair of these, but they're only with the blue one on it, and they flower every July and August for me, have done for years. Rock solid, totally, utterly winter hardy. However cold the weather is, these are fine. It's called Hibiscus syriacus because they're native to Syria, where the temperatures in winter time get very, very much lower than the UK. So you can plant this with total confidence that it's winter hardy. It will flower for you every summer, just really, I think, at the perfect time, because it's always in flower around about summer holiday time. So, you know, when you're at home with the family, you're in the garden, you're barbecuing, you're spending time outdoors, that's when the hibiscus will be in beautiful bloom for you. And it will do that every single year. Another top tip with hibiscus is they're very hungry. So they produce a massive amount of foliage, they produce a load and load of flowers, and all those flowers form on the outside of the beautiful globe shape. So make sure you feed these precociously. Lots of blended food, lots of NP and K, so nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The blooming fast soluble plant food is perfect for these. Use it every single week without fail, from around about May right the way through till October, all the way through that period on a weekly basis. 1 teaspoon into a 5 litre watering can is all you need, so it's very quick and easy to do, but it will reward you with lovely lush green foliage, loads and loads of flowers, and best of all, you're going to get these displays of this tricolour hibiscus every single summer. So red, white and blue, lovely colours, easy to grow, winter hardy, perfect for pots, great for your beds and borders too. This is an absolute must in my opinion.